So can you make videos in your car? Is it cool? The only time I have to create videos is literally when I'm in my car. Is it okay to make videos as a 50-year-old YouTuber in my car? I figured the best time to answer that question would be when I was in my freaking car recording a YouTube video. So to answer your question right out the gate, yes, it is. It's way cool. What's cool is that you get to record videos. What's cool is that you have an idea that you want to put out, that you want to create. That is the difficult part there, is like, what do I make videos about? You're moving into something where we may have to sit down and have a cup of coffee over. But is it okay? Is it cool? Does it look all right? Does it look good if I make videos in my car? Yes. I think it is. I think it's getting the idea out, being able to express whatever it is that you want to, whether it's advice, whether it's something that you figured out, whether it's something that you're struggling with, whether it's something that you've struggled with and you got over, whether it's something that you've mastered and you just want to share to help somebody out there who clicked on the video, who liked the title because it was an interest to them. They found the thumbnail attractive and it gave them curiosity, so they clicked in. And now you have this cool ass studio that has great acoustics that you're able to record. Let me share with you why recording videos in my car is probably the same reason why you like recording videos in your car. It's the only time you have time. It's probably the only time that you're probably by yourself. You'd like to record videos when you're at home. Maybe you even have a space in your house that you've created that it's kind of your YouTube space. But once you get home, you want to be with your wife. You want to be with your kids. You want to be with your dog. You got shit ton of stuff to do that once you get home, that kind of starts. This is probably the next best place to get ideas after being in the shower. I mean, you're in your car, you hear maybe a podcast, you hear somebody else that you rock with, and then all of a sudden you get this idea, you're like, oh my gosh, that's right. And you just want to put it out there because it's like, wow, this is such a great solution to that situation, and you've just solved something. You got to put it out there. You can't just hold it in and wait till you get home, because if you're like me, you've done that anywhere from writing it down, recording a voice note, recording a video. I'll record that when I get home. How many of those do you have archived on your phone or in notes or little pieces of paper, whatever, a notebook that you probably have in the back seat of your seat that you either A, write a bunch of shit on that you never get to, or B, you've been hauling it around for weeks, if not months, and you haven't written not one thing in it because you said, this is where I'm going to write my ideas, and you never do. The best solution to get the idea out there is just to record it right away. And yes, I do think it's really cool to record in your car. You can edit it later to make it look cool, adjust the colors a little bit so the blacks look nice and dark and the contrast is there. And yeah, you got your message out. So plain and simple, to answer your question, is it cool to record in my car? Yes. Your homie Albert right here is telling you, yes, I do it. It's cool. Get the message out. Let's get it. Matter of fact, let's hang out a little bit more. Subscribe to the channel. Do me a favor. If you could relate to this, comment down below. Let me know how many videos you've done in your car. Also, throw in their make, model, and year. Want to help out the channel? Hit the thumbs up. Don't record in your car, but you want to help out the channel anyways? Check in the comments. Thanks for watching. Get at you on the next one.